Every second, thousands of Coca-Cola bottles are opened somewhere in the world.
But very few people know how this drink is actually made.
This is inside a modern Coca-Cola factory, where machines never stop. Powered by automation, speed, and engineering. Even the bottles are made in seconds. This is where the iconic fizz is born.
Every stage is monitored, controlled, and tested.
Millions of bottles leave factories like this every single day.
Every drop is measured with extreme precision.
From purified water to secret syrup to the bottle in your hand, let's see how Coca-Cola is really made today.
Everything starts long before the drink is bottled.
Water is the main ingredient, the goal valid, and it must be perfectly clean.
Every drop enters the system under strict control. Sweeteners arrive in massive quantities. This thick syrup will later define the taste.
This is where the iconic fizz is born. Even the bottles are made in seconds. Every stage is monitored, controlled, and tested.
Millions of bottles leave factories like this every single day.
Each ingredient is stored separately until needed.
Computers monitor every variable in real time.
An underground network moves ingredients to the next stage. Safety checks happen continuously.
All ingredients are now ready for processing. Next, the most critical step begins: water purification. Over 90% of Coca-Cola is water.
So it must be absolutely perfect.
First, water passes through multiple filtration layers. Even microscopic particles are removed. Reverse osmosis strips water down to its purest form. Only pure molecules pass through. Ultraviolet light destroys any remaining microorganisms.
Nothing harmful survives this stage.
Ozone provides an additional layer of purification. Samples are tested constantly in on-site laboratories.
Sensors verify the water meets exact specifications.
Only now is the water ready to succumb Coca-Cola.
This is water at its purest. The purified water moves to the next stage. Every surface is designed for hygiene.
Nothing moves forward without approval.
This is where Coca-Cola truly begins. Next, purified water meets the most famous flavor on Earth. Only a few authorized employees are allowed inside. This is the most restricted area in the entire factory.
The flavor concentrate arrives pre-mixed and sealed. Every batch is tracked with extreme precision.
The concentrate is never exposed to open air.
The syrup base is blended under controlled conditions.
The exact formula remains a closely guarded secret. Temperature, timing, and movement are tightly controlled.
Samples are tested before moving forward. Only approved syrup is released for production.
The finished syrup waits for the next stage.
Now, the real transformation begins.
Next, syrup meets water, and Coca-Cola is born.
Samples are tested before moving forward. This is where purified water meets the flavor syrup. Each ingredient enters through a separate, controlled line.
The exact ratio is controlled automatically. Even tiny variations are corrected instantly.
This is the moment the flavor is introduced. The liquids mix under carefully controlled turbulence. Massive tanks ensure complete and even blending. Speed and timing are precisely programmed.
Temperature is stabilized to protect flavor.
The mixture is now perfectly uniform.
Samples are taken to verify consistency.
Every batch is tested before moving forward.
Only approved batches continue. The liquid is now ready for carbonation.
Everything moves seamlessly to the next stage. Pressure becomes the next key factor.
Next comes the step
that gives Coca-Cola its life. This is where Coca-Cola gets its iconic fizz.
First, the liquid is chilled to absorb more carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is injected under high pressure.
This is where the fizz is born.
The timing and pressure are perfectly controlled.
Exact pressure keeps the fizz consistent.
This is carbonation at the molecular level.
Computers regulate every variable.
The fizz is now locked inside the drink.
Exact pressure keeps the fizz consistent. The liquid stays pressurized at all times.
Multiple safety systems protect the process. Human oversight remains critical.
This is the difference carbonation makes.
Next, Coca-Cola is bottled at incredible speed.
Now it's time to seal the fizz inside a bottle.
These small preforms will become full-sized bottles.
Most Coca-Cola bottles are made right here in the factory.
Temperature control is critical. They're heated evenly to soften the plastic.
In milliseconds, air pressure forms the bottle.
This happens faster than the human eye can see. A finished bottle emerges instantly. The bottles are cooled to regain strength. Any imperfect bottle is instantly removed. Each bottle is inspected automatically. Glass bottles begin as molten glass. Molds shape the glass while it's still hot. Glass bottles undergo the same strict checks. Slow cooling prevents cracks. Now the bottles are ready to be filled.
They move straight to bottling, no storage.
Next, Coca-Cola is sealed inside at incredible speed.
This is one of the fastest filling systems in the world.
Empty bottles arrive non-stop. Each nozzle aligns perfectly in milliseconds.
The drink is filled under pressure to protect the fizz.
Hundreds of bottles are filled at once.
Not a single drop is wasted.
This speed is impossible for humans. Rotation prevents foaming. Sensors verify each bottle instantly. Pressure is equalized before sealing. Each bottle leaves perfectly filled.
Operators supervise every second.
The line never slows down.
Foam levels are tightly controlled.
Safety systems stand ready.
Thousands are filled every minute.
Everything moves in perfect harmony. This level of precision keeps every bottle identical. Next, the fizz is locked inside forever. This is where the fizz is locked in forever.
Caps are fed at incredible speed.
Each cap is positioned with millimeter accuracy. Sealing presses ensure a perfect airtight fit. Machines test each cap for strength and tightness. Machines test each cap for strength and tightness. Hundreds of bottles are sealed in a single moment. Any imperfect cap is instantly removed. Each bottle is tested to ensure carbonation stays locked. Sealed bottles move seamlessly to the next stage. High-speed cameras monitor every bottle. Technicians ensure the process never fails.
Every bottle is sealed to perfection.
Thousands of bottles leave the capping line every minute. Next, these bottles get their iconic labels.
Every bottle needs its iconic label before leaving the factory.
Labels are fed at incredible speed.
Each label fits the bottle with millimeter precision. Hundreds of bottles are labeled in a single moment. Every bottle gets a date code for traceability.
Alignment is checked automatically in real time.
Any misaligned label is rejected instantly.
This is the iconic look every consumer recognizes.
Technicians oversee every detail.
Labeled bottles now head to the final stages of production.
Speed and precision happen together.
Quality control ensures perfection every time. Thousands of bottles now have their signature look. Next, the bottles are packaged for shipment worldwide.
Every bottle goes through rigorous quality checks.
Experts test color, clarity, and carbonation levels.
Barcodes ensure each bottle can be traced.
Fizz is tested to meet strict standards.
Each bottle is weighed to confirm exact fill.
Label placement is also verified.
Automated cameras detect even the smallest flaws.
Any defective bottle is immediately removed.
Advanced instruments verify ingredient accuracy.
All measurements are logged in real time.
Only approved batches move forward.
Every detail is checked, ensuring perfection. Next, Coca-Cola is packaged and shipped globally.
After inspection, bottles are packed efficiently for shipment worldwide.
Every box is carefully organized to ensure safety during transport. From factory to truck, Coca-Cola begins its journey to consumers.
Thousands of bottles are stored before reaching global distribution.
The world waits for this iconic drink, delivered everywhere with precision.
From factory to store, every bottle is ready for you.
The moment of satisfaction grade. Crisp, refreshing, iconic.
Every bottle tells the story of precision, passion, and refreshment. Enjoy the legend.